too easy. Island of Jamaica, yeah. Yeah. Hey, what up, beautiful people? How y'all doing? Hope you doing good today, man. Back again with another video. Yeah. So today, if you don't know, you should know, or you're gonna know by now. I'm a Honda guy. So today, I'm gonna do the top 10 favorite Hondas. I got a list right here, and I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit. I don't know much about some of them, but I'm gonna talk why I personally like the vehicle. So here we go. Number 10. Now this is the only Accord that made the list, and the reason why it's the only Accord, I am not a big fan of Accords. I had an Accord, but the way that this guy did his thing, man, oh my gosh. Its suspension, wheels, how fast it is, and what's he done to it. It's a family car, but man, a family race car, bruh. It is clean, like the paint is clean, man. Now I think this car is doing like 209 to the wheels and 190 something torque. I think so. I am not sure. Don't quote me on it. His Instagram name will be here, so you can go and check it out and ask him. Maybe he'll tell you, maybe not. I don't know. But yep, that's my number 10. Now for the number 9. Now this EG coupe, man, it's a 92 to 95. I'm not sure what the specific year is. But this car right here, bruh, they didn't go for like a clean look. They go for more street, rowdy, racing, fast, like race car, man. Like, it's a V6. I forgot what J series is in there, but oh my gosh, that car is fast. That's on nitrous too. It is fast. Ooh, so that's why that came in at number 9, man. Now I don't remember the horse they made, or if they did put it out. I'm not sure. I didn't ask. Some people don't like to tell your horse because they doing their racing at the drag strip, street racing made safe and all of that. So yep. But now we at number 8, and this is my buddy's SI, man. Oh my gosh, this SI is clean. What? Clean. Oh my gosh, it's clean, man. It is clean. 2012 SI, man. Right here, man. It is clean. You can go check it out. Follow him on Instagram. Now, I am not a big fan of sedans. Not. But the way this one is, it is so clean, man. I love it. Sits low, rims on. I know for sure that it's a K20 head with a K24 block. So it's doing like 223 to the wheels. I don't remember how much torque it got, but man, it's nice. It's nice. Number 7, right here. That's me. My EK. Oh my gosh, I love this car, man. This was always my favorite Honda. And a Prelude was always my favorite Honda. So this for me is like a blessing. I've always wanted a Honda as a kid, and now I got one. I got it last year. Ain't much done to it. They got a skunk, 2 intake, manifold, D16 Y7 block, D16 Y8 head. So we got the VTEC head in it. On coilovers, headers, 421, catback exhaust. But the plans for that is coming soon. I don't want to give away too much about it, but that's my baby. Number 6, and trust me, EGs I rather the EKs way more over the EGs, but this EG, bruh, this EG make me like, I gotta think twice when it comes to EGs, man. This EG is nice, bruh. And it's supercharged. It is supercharged. I'm gonna leave his info right here so you can go and check him out. It's supercharged. I ain't gonna give away too much. I know this is making like 500 plus to the wheels, but that's all I'm gonna say. You can go check this out. But that car is nice, bro. I love that car. Clean, like clean, spotless. The body is immaculate. No dents, nothing, man. Wow. Number 5, baby. Top 5, baby. This is a EJ6. And it's supercharged as well. I'm not a big fan of superchargers, but trust me, man, this car is fast, bruh. It is clean, like interior, mwah, immaculate interior. I love the way they do to it. Now the number 6 was his son, so they got father and son at it. I like that. I like that, man. I love that. We need to see more of that, man. Keep it going. I'm gonna do that exactly to my son. I'm gonna bring him in the Honda gang all day. He's got a YouTube channel. He's got his Instagram. He's famous. This is famous. If you've never seen this car before, go check it out and you will see what I'm talking about, man. I ain't giving away too much. All I'm doing right now is just telling you my favorites. Number 4, Aisha. This car, and the reason why I call the name is because it's a female, bruh, and she's killing the game, bruh. She is killing the game. It's an EK again, and this EK is beautiful. And I watched her build it and stuff because I follow her on Instagram. Trust me, I love this EK, bro. You can go check it out right here too. Yup, I don't know how much it's doing to the wheels. I think it's like 400 something or 500. I am not sure, but you can go check it out to just be clear. Number 3, another female again, Veru. That's all I'm doing. I'm just calling out the females, man, because they killing the game, and I respect that. We need more of that, man. We need more of that. I love it. I love it. I love it. But this car, and the reason why this car is at number 3, the color, man. The color is, oh my gosh. I have never seen a red car that looked this beautiful. My opinion. It is so clean. Inside clean. Wheels. Oh my god. I admire this car. And I'm going to take some parts of this car to put on my car. Like ideas that she has. Like she doesn't think put the car together, man. It is 100. Number 2. Now this car, it is not clean at all. Not like this car is just a speed monster. Speed monster. And I mean, I've seen this car with Subarus, GTRs, all kind of cars, man. All kind. I've seen this car whip so many cars, but like come all over, man. This car is so fast. At one point it was doing over 700 wheel horsepower. I think they turned it down to 6 something right now, but man, and that is the reason why it's at number 2. This car is fast, bro. I love it. The number 1, let me get a drum roll, please. As I said before, I'd rather the EKs over the EG, but to show you I am not biased, an EG coming at number 1. And this EG speaks for itself. But I'm gonna say something about this one. Bruh. First of all, the color is immaculate. I said this to a lot of ones that I spoke about before, but this color is like beautiful. It is beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. This car is doing 721 to the wheels and it looks beautiful. So we not just have a fast car, we have a show car, a beautiful car. Like this car, oh my gosh, its nickname is the Hulk, and you will see why if you go to his page and follow him. You will see why. Cool guy, I spoke to him before, all of that. He's Jamaican, I'm Jamaican, so I ain't gonna lie, man, not because he's Jamaican, but this car is on point. I love this car. This is the first EG that grabbed me like, shoot, I need to start looking at EGs. I need to respect them. This car is well done from the engine bay, everything, wheels, everything, steering wheel, every single part is touched on this car, man. This car is so clean, and this is one of the cars that I most definitely will take some stuff from. Most definitely will take some stuff from. So if you want to see more on this car, go check it out. Go check it out, guys. Check it out, check it out, check it out. And this was my top 10 my top 10 favorite Hondas currently. And I appreciate you guys for watching. If you feel like I'm wrong or I said it in the wrong order, you can drop your comments below. Tell me which one you think came in first. But man, all the cars though, all of these cars that I spoke about are so beautiful. I love them, I love them, I love them all day. Thanks for watching, guys. It's the end of the video. Subscribe, hit that bell, like, share, leave your comments below. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys. Love y'all. We out.